And I'm going to make the simple calculator that be a look like this one. Like this, it is working. Demos 2, it is 18. It is working. Okay, let's start by calculating this div class. Put your input, make your form, and distribute it, and make a div class, and make another div class, and put your input. Here, put your input. Put here the input type, that will be text. Um, okay, make here an input type. Okay, and make another div class, and make your button, back to the AC button again, be del button, that will beam slash button, that will beam times. Make another div class, make your button, using set with numbers 9, 7, and here you put your class. Div class button, consider 6, button again, 5, 4. Here I can put here minus div class again, button, equals 3, 2, and 1. So here a button can put here point, yeah, to make my calculator to be fulfilled this or element. Button again, put here W0, put here 0, and make a button and make here equal. So in this button, make the class that will be called equal. Okay, and here this class, make here class again, and make calculator it, call the calculator, and make this class called display. Okay, let's start with our CSS. Make sure that here it is a link, that will be to this .css. So let's start. Make a padding 0, and make your body, and in body we put there in You put there the width, height, and others. First you start with width that would be 100%, and make a height 100 ph, and make background background that will be sun, and put here display will be flex, and admin item will be center, and justify content will be also center. Okay, let's start. Let's continue. When you learn, you see things look like this one. Okay, let's continue. You copy this class for calculator, and dot calculator, and in calculator put here border below, outline will be also 0, and width will be um it can be 60. No, sorry. Yeah, background it will be orange, and padding will be 20 px, and border will be also 20 px. And here neck dot calculator input, you add border will be 0, and outline will be also 0, and the width will be 20 px, height will be 60 px. Okay, in border radius will be 10 px, and the cursor will be pointer. Okay, and margin will be 10 px. Let's continue. I'm going come back in our HTML document, and the placeholder will be 0, and make disable. Okay, and add here name will be display. This will help us to make in JavaScript. So, and copy this name, and make here display, and dot even, and display will be flex, and just the content will be flex end, and the margin will be 10 px 0. And here are the first things. Okay, the thing that next is about, yeah, make form display, and also dot display, and make display be flex, and justify your content will be flex and margin will be 20 px 0. This really best the big make the big input, make their form dot display input, and text again will be light, and flex x will be 1, and font size will be 24 px, and box shadow will be none. Okay, here come back in HTML and you run, you will see things look like this one. And make this div class, make sure that is close it, and okay, when you click on the bag, run bag, you see the things like this one. And also make here div, when you click on the bag, you see things look like this one. Okay, let's come back in our CSS and make here the form. Here then padding will be 5 px 5 px. Okay, when I click on bag, it's that the button that change the color, the space between them. Okay, um go back and make a button and make border background, background be this one, and make the border will be 20 pixels solid, and border radius, the border has to be 12 pixels, and padding will be 10 pixels and 15 pixels, and make margin here, margin be 5 pixels, font weight be bold, color will be, and make custom be pointer, and transition be all, so pointer is in and out, and button cover here, background be orange, and make here transform be scale 1.1. Okay, click on the bag, you see things do like this one. Let's look, but button active, background color orange, and box shadow will be inset inset. Okay, let's continue with JavaScript. Come here and type button, and come back here on a click the beam display, and on display value will be that one, value will be that one. Okay, be that one. Let's, okay, here will be out dot value, and close here, and this one make copy, and come here, paste this, it will look like, make here, paste slash, here it will be add slash and make here positive, and come here also make this one make up again, and come here and change here will be 9, 8 will be 7, will be plus. Here will be change with 6 and 5, and make here paste and change with 4, make change here with minus, and come here also and change with 3, here change with 2, we change with 1, 1, and here change with point, make double 0 and change here with 0, and here we add here plus, make copy and come here will be paste it, paste it here, make paste, 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 and when you click on the bag, run it back, yeah, it seems like look well, elect isn't working. Let's check the reason why it's not working, and yeah, make the button table class on equal, and evo this evo called display evo, um display dot value. Okay, here just make the variable, and when you click on plus or minus it will be equal to the display on value, and you click on button called equal and click on bag, sorry, this and click on bag, so it is working, and I sorry, okay, this one can click on there, see it is working, and can click here checking 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, so it is working. Thank you. So remember to make subscribe to my channel that called JCube site. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Thanks for watching.